In this video, I will tell you how to buy REITs on Wealthsimple. So first what you need to do is open the Wealthsimple app on your phone or go to it on the web and log into your account. If you do not already have an investment account, tap on add an account and create one such as a TFSA for tax-free growth. Next you need to fund your account. Tap on move money, then choose add money, link your bank account and transfer your Canadian dollars into Wealthsimple. After your account is funded, tap the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type the name or ticker of the REIT you want to buy, for example REIT, XRE or ZRE. From the search results, select the REIT you are interested in and tap buy, then choose your order type. You can pick a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to set the maximum price you are willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase or the dollar amount since fractional shares are supported. Then select the account you want to use such as your TFSA and review the estimated cost. Finally, tap review order and then place order to confirm your purchase. That's how you buy REITs on Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.